Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for group recipes, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one to keep your shared cooking sessions secure and smooth. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for group recipes? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your shopping lists and meal plans stay safe from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your private recipes don't get accidentally exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of your group activity or connections. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for group recipes. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for group recipes because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could sneak in scams related to recipe fraud or fake cooking offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with your cooking crew in a super secure private network. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can keep your phone, tablet, and laptop all synced while browsing group recipe sites or sharing cookbooks. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy home chef can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for sharing recipes, videos, and group meal plans. And for anyone dealing with slow or laggy connections, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help speed up your online cooking sessions. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that faster response. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for group recipes? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLinks technology. This means less lag when uploading recipe videos or browsing complex cooking forums. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest and most reliable connection to keep your group recipe exchanges smooth and secure. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices to connect or run a whole household cooking group. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or prioritize full privacy for your family's recipe secrets. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using to protect your group recipes. See you soon.